Peace, peace. What it do? What it do? How you doing today, good peoples? I hope you good. I'm good. Back with your boy Wrenchturna for another daily vlog. And today y'all see I still got my hair up and whatnot. I was trying to get to my new growth, doing it myself. Trying to take care of myself, you know what I mean? But I am doing some things today. So I got a new cord, another cord, and just doing some things to grow the brand that is Voice and Bridges. I think some of you know that Voice and Bridges is owned by me and my son, and it's definitely like a child, or something that we're nurturing. And in the nurturing process, you learn about things, the same way a lot of us learned how to be parents and learn how to be drivers and things of that nature. But you go through periods where, you think that you are getting the best deal on this, or you're getting the best deal on that, and then you come to find out that you're not. It is what it is, don't hate the player, hate the game type thing. I ain't mad. I'm not gonna be mad at all. But those things show you how to move different and to do different things. And I'm the type of person that I love to continue to grow, blossom, and help others develop as well. You know what I mean? Because it's easy to see the good in people, but people show you who they are after time. So it is what it is. And what I have to bring to the table today, this thing right here. This is a new purchase that is going to help the brand do more things, and I'm glad to be unboxing this thing on camera. But got a new printer, as you can see down here at the bottom of the screen, laser printer. And as you can see, we didn't go the cheap route. We got a real laser printer by the people that do laser printers. And we had already said that we was gonna come to a point whereas we wouldn't have to depend on others to do the things that we needed to do, as far as printing shirts and putting shirts out, and even wanting to do like just prototypes on the fly. In the days coming, I'm going to be making more videos about the products that we are going to be taking delivery of. Alright? And I want you guys to see how it's going down. I'm loving every part of this, the whole growing of the clothing line, the growing of the YouTube channel, and you guys, and welcome to all new subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Surf on the page, surf on the channel, see what I have going on. I got a lot of videos, just see what I got going on. And it looks like it's going to be a storm out, so I hope you guys are prepared to stay dry. And that's just me on the check-in, man. I wanted to open up the printer, let you guys know we got our laser printer. So we're going to be able to do a lot of stuff in-house now, and we're not going to have to depend on third parties, which I am super, super, super happy about. I really, really am. And just look forward to more items and more products from the Voice and Bridges line. And speaking of Voice and Bridges, let me remind you guys to visit Voice and Bridges. stop by and stay fly. Pick out something. We're gonna have new merch going up, and over time, you will see just the growth that we are having, and you're talking about a teenager and a mechanic starting a clothing line. It just sounds crazy. But it is what it is. We committed, we doing what we doing, and the more people continue to endorse the clothing line, the more we will be able to get more equipment and do more for the clothing line. So thank you guys again. Big salute to everybody that owns a piece of Awesome Bridges clothing. I will talk to you guys on the flip side. Look out for the new shop talks, and once we get out, in the green and whatnot, I'm not rushing to go outside, but once we get in the green and whatnot, I will consider what I want to do with the car reviews, because I like doing car reviews, so I want to continue doing that. So don't think that that's just out of the picture. That's still there. So I will talk to you guys real soon. It is what it is. Be safe. Take care of those who love you. They will take care of you later. Please believe that. Talk to you real soon. You know the vibes. Peace.